Fun. So we are moving on to Module 9 of the class, but we still kind of have a foot in Module 8 because I haven't even explained the assignment for Module 8. But a Module 9, I think, is helpful enough in Module 8 that I've kind of blended the two together into 1 week. Module 9 does not have its own assignment. So there's nothing due for Module 9. It's just sort of a complement to Module 8. So the first thing I want to talk about is algorithms. Algorithms are a really important part of computing today. Algorithms are things that we talk about all the time, right? We talk about the big scary algorithm that tries to get you online and trap you into becoming addicted to YouTube and addicted to Instagram and addicted to Facebook. And we hear the word algorithm all the time. And I would say the vast majority of people that use the word algorithm have no idea what an algorithm is. And an algorithm, very simply, it's a step-by-step procedure for solving a problem. So in the case of YouTube, the problem is, how do we get Bill to watch YouTube videos all day long and not do anything else? That's the problem they're trying to solve. The algorithm is their step-by-step procedure for figuring out how to do that. And in the case of YouTube, it involves things like, well, let's put videos in categories. And if Bill watches a video in that category and he sits through the whole thing, let's give him another one like that. It involves things like watching viewing patterns. So if you watch a video and then you watch another video and then you watch a third video, and another person watches those same 3 videos, if I watch that first video, you can almost guarantee that it's going to try and feed me that second one, because it figures, well, other people are watching those things. Those must be related. And so the algorithm is solving that problem by building relationships between those items, paying attention to viewing patterns, paying attention to what videos I sit through versus ones that I exit when they're 10 seconds in because I'm bored. So those are algorithms. Amazon, how many people shop on Amazon, right? I love Amazon. One of the things Amazon does really good is it figures out how to make you buy more stuff. It's pretty magical. But there's an algorithm at play there also, because Amazon wants you to buy more stuff all the time. So if I buy a computer on Amazon, it's going to do what? What's the algorithm going to do for me? Exactly. It's like, here are 10 accessories that you might want. So it knows the relationship between that computer and those accessories. If I buy a laptop, it's going to give me a laptop bag. If I buy a phone, it's going to say, hey, how about a case and some screen protectors and a pop socket so you can be cool like the kids, right? So those are algorithms. And the media has blown up algorithms to be this big magical thing, but really, if you break them down, they're simple. They're a step-by-step procedure for solving a problem.